How to save your Google document files or Google Docs to files on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the quick steps on how you can save your Google documents to your files on your iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Now first things first, in order to save your Google document files to your files folder on your iPhone, what you can do is you can simply head over and open up your Google Docs app. Here now you want to open up the document that you wish to save to your files. I'll just open it up. Now here what you can do is once you have it, the folder, tap on the three dots on the folder there on the document, and now here you'll find the option to save as Word document. You can save it as Word document. However, if you want to make sure that it is saved to your device, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and tap on the three dots and now head over to the print option. Once you tap on print, it will start preparing to print, and now this page will open up. On this page, you'll find the share icon at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it, and now here scroll down and you can see save to files option. Tap on save to files option, and then now here you can select the folder that you wish to save your file to. Once you have selected the folder, tap on save option and it should be saved to your files. This is how you can easily save your Google Docs to your files on your iPhone. Hope this video has helped. To like and subscribe.